Me Too with Dr. Wu.
Yes.
What'd you do to me?
So I wooed her and I gave her a special ingredient from our last episode, and this ingredient is chicken feet.
How do you say that in Chinese?
Mom! Mom!
Mom!
I
call it tin kai. Wait, didn't you say Cantonese is your first language?
Yes,
Come on,
but that was
it.
like
Make her proud.
0 to 4. No, I do know how to say this in Chinese or in Cantonese. It's called gai guk, which is essentially chicken feet. Yeah.
Gai is chicken?
Gai is chicken.
Wait, gai is chicken in Thai too.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's like.
I never knew that.
It's crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah, gai guk, and guk is foot. Yeah.
Foot in Thai is teen or tao.
Tao.
Okay.
Tao. Tao.
So how I know?
Tao.
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 T.
Tao.
Tao. Tao. So how do you clean your chicken feet?
Generally, I put them in water and I let them soak for like 5 to 10 minutes and just kind of rinse it. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat.
I like to like rub them with salt grains or like
really get in there.
Yeah,
nooks and crannies.
Yes.
Okay.
Instapot. I've
Boom.
never used this in Instapot because it takes like 3-4 hours to normally if you just boil it.
Yeah, because it can be a very tough meat, and to like make it very tender, generally you do it low and slow. Back in the olden days, they would do it old and slow, but now we have Target and we have Instapots, and this high pressure cooker can tenderize meat like real quick. I have jacked around with this for quite some time. Like I've done like 30 minutes, I've done 20 minutes, but I have found that 12 minutes and 20 seconds is the perfect amount of time.
Is this a special Chinese number, 1220?
No, it would be, if it was a special Chinese number, it would be some derivative of 8. Because 8 is a very good luck number.
So 2 plus 2 is 1 is 5. I need another 3 to make 8. So maybe we should do it 12:23 seconds.
Okay, let's do it. 12:23.
12:23.
Boom.
Got it.
Wait, does that make it 8 seconds? Yeah, it does make it 8 seconds. Yeah, I'm Asian. I know how to do math.
We're going to do
12:22. Yeah, 12:23. 23.
Okay.
Okay.
You're in charge.
What am I doing? Just putting it in here?
I would assume so. How do you normally cook it?
Yeah, like this. So just rock it in there. Andy, you want to get a close up of that? Just right there?
We take it out.
We take it
Put it back in.
We're going to do a close up.
Okay. Now your beautiful pork broth that you made for just my arrival.
Just for her arrival. Do you want me to do the entire thing or half of it?
I want to do it all.
All of it? Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Done.
So we use both of your, and then an homage to you and your culture. I'm adding ginger to this recipe.
Yes, I was actually upset that we didn't use any ginger in the fish. Like generally, I am used to eating fish with a lot of ginger, and like we julienne the ginger, so it's like really thin pieces in there, and we stuff it in the stomach. It's fantastic.
Sorry, my bad.
I know.
I need your power again.
Okay, wait. Where's my
cleaver?
Where's my cleaver? Give me my cleaver.
Ah! Ah! Here we go. Okay.
That's one.
Do them all. So again, I'm like adding a lot of aromatics to the broth, just like Chinese cooking is.
Yep.
Do you ever use lemongrass at all in Chinese cooking?
Honestly, the only time I would use lemongrass is if we did a curry. Sometimes I'll use lemongrass.
What's a Chinese curry?
Mom! I'll let Mom comment on that in the back. But generally, lemongrass is not a thing that we use. Do you want me to?
Yes, please.
Wait, close up? Bam!
Yeah. Yeah, so we literally season it with
ginger, lemongrass, garlic. We have put some bone broth in there. There was a little bit of salt on. I felt the chicken feet were a little salty.
Salty, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of salt in
I'm
there.
gonna add more salt.
Okay.
So I'm using my black soy to season this stock. Yay! Okay, what do we do next?
I don't know. You were the one who's making this. Why are you asking me? It's Walk with Wu now.
It's Walk with Wu. Okay, you are in charge of the Instapot.
Okay. What? So now,
I'm just gonna drink while he
we're
works.
good, right? Now we gotta jiggle it. You gotta get it there. Boom. Yes. Okay, it's in there. So we're gonna do pressure cooker like this. You saw. Wait. Okay. Yes. We just need to go to 10. Is that 10 minutes?
We said 12:23, sir.
Okay. Well, it's on sterilize, so we're not sterilizing this. There's this. I
Love
feel like
it.
we can DJ this.
Ready?
Wait, no.
6 hours later.
Okay, 12 minutes.
Let's go.
Boom, start. It's on.
Okay.
It's on.
So this is gonna be like, what is the word? Gelatinous?
Chicken feet have like a lot of cartilage, bone in it, and tendon. So I can't explain it. Collagen. It is.
Collagen.
Yeah. Get it in your chicken feet and in your face.
Yes. In Thai, a slang, like when you feel like, oh my God, I'm feeling so tired, my face is like so need like an uplift, they're gonna be like, well, you need to go eat some chicken feet.
Yeah, it's true.
You do
I
that?
just rub the chicken feet on my face like this. That's how I
have one.
like this. People are like, why do Asians look so young?
Yes! This is the secret sauce.
This is our secret. We just do it like this. Get it under the eye. Don't
Like
go into the nose.
scratches.
But it does. It's a good scratch.
It's a back scratcher.
Sometimes I go like this.
So what we're doing here is I'm gonna make a topping sauce, which is very similar to all the
Yeah.
ingredients that we had used for the fish.
Okay,
So you like
noted.
that flavor profile?
Yeah, it's good flavor profile. Okay,
Nice.
do we just want like small ringies?
Yes.
Okay,
Chinese
here.
style.
Like this. Done.
Okay, so we have onions, we have cilantro. Oh,
Yeah.
let's chop some chili.
Chile? Okay.
Chile.
How many chilies? Ooh.
You
let's-
tell me.
I mean, last
chili
time
you
it was
want?
not.
Not spicy enough. We kept
Jeep is looking at me like, whoa, okay. Okay,
We need
there.
some more
Okay.
sake.
There we go. What else do we? I should put a chili in here. Whoa, that was a big piece.
That was a huge piece.
Mm.
Maybe we just put some drama queen in it.
I don't know if
It's a spicy
yes.
sake now. You know
Yeah,
how you
it's-
like to spice
I
all your
do.
drinks up?
I honestly spice I put sriracha and Tabasco and any type of chili in any food that
I grew up
make.
just like you
Yeah.
until I found drama queen, and that's all I put. Well,
You
I
better
actually put drama queen on top of
I
my
will
sriracha.
buy a whole pallet of it. Just give me the website and I will
I was
buy
gonna
it.
give you a pack, but if you want a whole pallet, all
Pallet,
good with me.
Pallets.
Pallets and pallets.
Now we're just gonna put them in bowls, right?
Put everything in the one bowl.
Everything in the one bowl?
You
You literally said everything in the. Hey,
Okay,
let's rewind that.
rewind.
Andy, go back. Cut that in.
Put everything in the one bowl.
Put everything in one bowl.
Okay, half the onions.
Okay. Half the onions and
Half
all the
the
chili.
onions and
Here,
all the
wait, I gotta
chili.
separate. Do we have to separate all of the?
No, we're gonna put them in.
Okay.
I would say half the garlic. That's right there.
Okay.
But I don't know how much garlic you like.
I mean, I like me some garlic.
Put it
Just
in.
like this. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it.
Bam.
I love it.
Done. Okay.
We're gonna do some lime
Lime
juice.
juice. How much lime juice? All of it? No,
You
all the
tell
way.
me.
I feel like we should just
You
go
tell me.
enough where it's submerged but not fully submerged.
Because we're gonna like balance it out.
Yeah.
Sweet, sour, spicy,
Yeah.
salty.
I feel like this was a good, that's a good enough right there, right? Yeah.
What else you gonna put in there?
Fish sauce, obviously,
Do
because
it.
we're in a Thai kitchen right now.
We are.
And we should put some ginger later. Okay. What else? What else do you want to put? Hey, you know what we should do?
Oh, what?
You should taste it.
Yes, you should.
That is good.
It needs more fish sauce,
It
doesn't
does.
it?
That was like fish sauce.
I mean, you literally put in like half a cup of lime juice and like a squeeze of
Yeah.
fish sauce. You know what I do think it's missing? It's missing some stir fry sauce.
Yeah.
Can you put some in?
Yeah.
Like it's gonna balance everything out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I think
You
I
make
think
it
I may
easier.
have. Woo!
Finally, we met his like spicy levelness.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's
You know what's really good with this?
sake.
Just this stuff over rice.
Oh yeah. Actually, in the Philippines they do that too.
You have some rice? You want to put? You
Yeah,
need any
I
rice?
do. I
You
have
need
some-
to cool down your chili.
I have some rice. Let's just put just a little bit
Just
of
a
rice
little
in there.
bit.
Okay, there we go. So do you just like drizzle some of that into the
Drizzle.
rice? Yeah, like this. This is so good.
And I'm gonna peel the cilantro and take a few bites. You
Okay.
now have some chili.
Oh, that was close, guys. That was
That's a little
close.
close to
That
your
almost
eye.
went into my eye. We almost had to call the ER. 'cause I
No,
know
you're a doctor. We're fine. We're
My
fine.
mouth is it's so hot right now. I'm doing my best to keep a straight face, but whew,
He did it to himself.
I did do it to
It was
myself.
all recorded.
I agree. I said, you know what, these chilies aren't hot. And then I literally tempted the universe
Yes, you did.
to make it, even hotter.
I think you probably put about 8 chilies in there with the stems, all
Yeah.
the seeds, and to make it even extra spicy, he sliced it and then he went
Yes.
back and like really, really chopped it up, releases everything.
Right, so like what makes a chili actually hot is the oil from the seed. So if you can break the seed open,
That's
then
right.
it gets way hotter. Oh! Now it's
Ooh,
on.
now the
Now
12
a
minutes
12 minutes
starts.
starts.
Is it ready?
I think it's ready.
I'm like, what
you
are
ready?
you doing?
Okay, we're just gonna do it at
It
once.
did beep at us.
3, 2,
Okay.
1. I never know with the Instapot.
You never
It
know.
literally can explode in your face.
Which is
It's a
happened to
little
me.
dangerous.
What is this thing? Mine doesn't have this.
Because again, if you were a chef of Instapot,
Of Instapot. Okay, let's add
you would
of
understand the reason why you can't take this off right away is because it's pressurized.
Yes,
And
correct.
so what you're trying to do is decrease the temperature of the top, and this is ice.
Oh,
So you put it on top.
I need this. I need
So
this
then
attachment.
you don't have to wait like 10 to 15 minutes for it to depressurize. It immediately depressurizes, and
You're
then
right.
bam boom.
I'm still going backwards.
Oh.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yes. Let me get in there too. Okay.
That's so good. It's like a sweet, salty flavor.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna top it off with that. Oh, yummy goodness.
Okay, so first we're gonna put the chicken feet, right? Ooh, okay. In there like that.
That's 4. That's all for you.
Okay, and then we're just gonna put a little bit of sauce in there.
And because we put the ginger in there, it now is very like
Yeah.
Chinese.
Yes. So in Thai, you guys don't use chopsticks, no? Yes?
Only with noodles.
Only
Such a
with
great
noodles. See,
question.
like I feel more comfortable with
Eating with
chopsticks.
chopsticks,
Yes.
let's do
okay.
it. Mhm.
Chinese
Question.
way would be to eat it with the rice. Like we would put it in, like we would
Show
do
me.
it like this.
Show me.
We'd rock it this way. See, they're a little slippery,
They are.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I would do is like I would put a little bit of the sauce, just like
over
right
the rice.
in the rice. Yep.
You
Okay.
know how to eat.
Done.
And he goes right in with the
Mm-hmm.
nails.
Yep. And then
And that's the polite way. I think Ma's approved.
Ma approved right here.
Yes! Thanks for watching. I've been wooed into another episode, and it's been so much fun. Thanks for having me here.
Delicious. Thank you.
I'll come on your show sometime.
You should.
Yeah. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ
The Thai takeover was fantastic. I had a great time. Nikki and her entire crew were so nice. The food was exceptional. Nikki has shown me that first, I am not using enough lemongrass or fish sauce in a lot of my recipes. Thai cuisine is different for me. I cook a lot of Chinese food, so Thai cuisine and Thai methods are much different, and they have different taste profiles, so it was great to learn a different way of maybe doing kind of the same thing. I would definitely recommend this to somebody that I know. I just don't think that many people cook at home anymore. Being a healthcare practitioner, I think a lot of our issues come from just eating out way too much. When you cook it yourself, you know exactly what's going in. I would highly recommend to all my friends for Nikki to come over, teach them new Thai dishes. And the other reason why I would do it is it allows other people to experience somebody else's culture. Food and dinner time and the way that you cook is an intimate experience. And what better way than having a good friend come over and cook for you?